welcome back to today's video. I'm coming at you with another amazing Dollar Tree haul. We have our first big fall haul. I did a whole fall shop with me. If you guys missed that, just go back on my channel and check it out because there is so much cute stuff this year. So I did pick up a couple like little favorite pieces that I loved, and I also have so much stuff from last year that I have to pull out of my storage closet. I'm sure you guys are the same. So I try not to go too crazy, knowing that I still have like my other stuff, but fall stuff is just so cute and it is honestly so fun to decorate for fall. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way. I know some people do get upset with these like earlier kind of fall hauls because it's still summer. Trust me, you guys, I am a summer girl through and through. If you watch my channel, you know that. It's just that these stores put this stuff out so early, and as like a vlogger, a Dollar Tree content creator, I have to like share with you guys stuff as it comes out, just because I want to kind of be there to show you guys everything that's in stock and what you should pick up, because it kind of helps you guys when you're shopping. So I know it's early, really early, but it's just how it goes with retail. They always put things out early. Like I'm sure in October they're gonna have out Christmas stuff already. Dollar Tree shop with me's affordable hauls. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I upload on here all the time. And enough rambling, let's get into the Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys noticed my camera quality is back. My nice camera decided to start working again, which makes me so happy. Okay, so let's start out with one of my favorite finds. I think I have some of these from last year as well, but I have the darker ones. They brought back the marble pumpkins, and I hope that these are going to be available at more stores this year, because last year I feel like it was kind of like you found them and it was a rare find. So maybe they saw how popular they were. Dollar Tree does look at like Instagram and what's trending. I feel like they use my Instagram page a lot and see what people like. I do have a whole Instagram page. It's called Dollar Tree Dolly. Go follow, you guys. It is so much fun. I upload like reels and videos and all like things I find like right in the moment, and tons of stuff on stories. Each pumpkin is different. They each have their own like marble to them. So I got this one and this one, and I actually just had them like chilling in my kitchen, and they actually look cute on my kitchen countertop, so I might keep them there. But they also will look cute in like my background back here when I switch that up for fall. But these were so nice. They look very high quality. That's kind of what I like to look for, is things that look like they're not $1.25. Like it looks like something you would find at Pottery Barn or I don't know, Target or something like that. Look more high-end. So check them out, you guys. They are so cute. Do you recommend shopping earlier for fall? I know it seems so crazy, like I was saying before, but this stuff goes quickly. Like people snatch up the good stuff early, so you want to make sure you're going to the store and like getting kind of first pick of everything. Trust me. I found this pumpkin the other day and I fell in love. It is this adorable little animal pumpkin. Now originally I thought it was a cat, and that is why I bought it. So I posted it on my Instagram story and I was like, is this a cat? And then a couple people were like, I think it's a raccoon. And I was like, oh, you're right. And then I was laughing because my cat Oliver, he has a tail that looks like a raccoon tail. So to me, this like looked like him because it had like the thick stripes on the tail. So to me, cats, raccoons, very similar. So yeah, it could be, in my eyes, it still looks like a cat, but it's still cute as a raccoon. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I will find a place for her because she's adorable and she needs a name. This kind of could be fall. I don't really know. I got it to put our keys in once I have our hallway set up here. I am redoing our main entrance hallway here at the apartment, and it's just empty right now and we need a place to put our keys. So I thought this was so cute. It's just like this woven basket. Yeah, so it's just a nice plain little basket. Again, something that looks like nice quality. It's a little uneven here because of the way that they like, I don't know, made this. So it gets like higher here and then a little lower there, but you can kind of hide it if you twist it this way. But I thought this was super cute as just like a little catch-all basket. I picked these up as well because I thought they were so nice, and again, looks high-end. It's these natural pumpkin picks. So it's that kind of seam, like, what would you call this material? It's like that basket weave kind of material, and I have to figure out where I'm gonna put these, but they are pumpkins. To me, they also kind of look like apples, but either way, it's both fall related. So I just thought these were so cute. They also have them in a light color as well, but these in like a little jar. Oh, I have a jar that I'm gonna share with you guys. Did I get 2? I thought I got 3, but yeah, these are so nice. So grabbed this guy right here. It is this little leaf plate, and I thought this would be cute for my oven because I always like to leave like a little plate on there, just for decor. I don't think this is like food safe or anything, so I wouldn't like put your spoons on it and stuff, but just like as a little decor piece, you could put this on a dining room table as well. I don't have a dining room table because I film where a dining room table would typically go. So yeah, just a really cute leaf, and they had a bunch of different kinds. They had acorns and pumpkins and stuff, but for some reason I was just drawn to the leaf. So I noticed kind of a theme this year with the decor, and I was noticing a lot of like this really pretty baby blue color. So I wanted to kind of incorporate that into my fall decor this year. So I picked up 2 of these, like, I'm calling them like fairy blue. It's this adorable faux wool pumpkin, which I don't think I have these. So I think these are new this year, but the faux wool pumpkins are so adorable. I'm just picturing like a table like lined with pumpkins, like all different kinds of pumpkins. I think would be so cute. Oh my gosh. I wish I had like a house or a bigger space because I would totally do that. Just like, oh, that would be such a dream. I'm like thinking Pinterest right now. So yeah, loved the blue, just something different than the typical like orange, you know. And then I got this one. It's the velvet pumpkin, which they brought back this year, but again with that like baby fairy light smoky blue kind of color. Here they are side by side, so you can see that's kind of what I was like mixing and matching the blues here. And I love the stem on this one because it has this kind of like little, I don't know, extra thing going on here. It's gold, it's pretty. It made me like Cinderella vibes, I guess, because Cinderella's dress color. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share with you guys a little trend that I noticed. And oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just collecting so many pumpkins at this point, but I can't help myself. Like, they're so cute. Speaking of pumpkins, okay, I'm a fanatic. This has to be one of my favorite finds this year. One of the best pumpkins. Okay, are you guys ready? They have Boucle pumpkins. Oh my gosh. I saw these and I literally think I audibly gasped at the store. These are so cute. They are a really nice size as well. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh, this is like making me excited. So again, the fun stem. Oh, this is like the tan color. I wanted all the colors of this Boucle pumpkin. These are gonna go quick. I know people are gonna buy these out. And then I got the classic orange because it's just classic fall color. So had to grab this one. Yeah, if you want to see all the colors, again, go to that shop with me video. But like, you guys, Boucle pumpkins at Dollar Tree, are you kidding me? I need to stop myself though. Like, I should not be allowed to buy any more pumpkins. Next up, I found the cutest fall garlands. The longest garland they've ever had, only $1.25. And I loved this one because it had these little pumpkins in here. They also had one with like these metal leaves and one with sunflowers, but I was just drawn to this one because I thought it was so chic looking, and then at the end it has this little tassel. So I'm thinking this will probably go on my TV stand, just kind of lining it. I think that will look really cute. So I love this. Oh, who doesn't love a good garland? You can't beat this, honestly, for the price. I was thinking I could use this vase to maybe do a fall DIY and put those pumpkins in. I have to kind of figure out how I want that to look. Maybe, I don't know, I have to watch a tutorial on YouTube. I have not been crafty at all recently. I hung up my craft hat for a little bit, but I'm trying to get back into it and be crafty again. Like, I want to get into sewing this fall, and I want to do a little bit more crafty things like that, just kind of exercise my brain and my creativity. And I think it is important to have fun hobbies like that. The process was the pumpkins, like putting them in here, let's see, and then they all fit. Yeah, you could fit them all in here. But like, isn't that cute with the, obviously not this color, but like maybe something like that. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, this was a favorite. I found this cute little sign. Now, I'm not too big on the signs. Like, I'm trying to rein it in, have like 50 signs like all over the house. But this is like just a cute little tchotchke, as my mom used to say. It says fresh apple cider. I loved it because it was like kind of nice and thick. Thinking maybe for the kitchen. So precious. And then the other day I found one and it said like cinnamon on it, and I was like, oh shoot. And are 4 different kinds of these little signs. But like, how cute. Oh my gosh, this is another favorite. I just fell in love with this. Like the apple cider, I love it. This is my last fall find that I have to share with you guys for this part of the haul. This sign, oh my gosh, it is so cute. Another favorite. They just like literally killed it this year. They did such a good job. So, oh, you guys, this sign is so cute and such a nice size as well. And I think what makes this special is the wood on the bottom and the top just adds such a nice touch. At first when I saw this, I thought it was a canvas, which also would have been cute, like that papery canvas. I like love those. But it is on this like little piece of faux wood, and it's the recipe how to make hot apple cider, which, by the way, very convenient. Like, I would follow this recipe. I've never made apple cider before, but this is inspiring me. So I'm thinking of putting this like on the wall. That's like right before you come into the kitchen area over here. The cutest. They also had one for pumpkin pie and apple pie, but for some reason I got the hot apple cider one. I don't know, but like, you guys need this sign. It is literally the cutest. That is everything for this fall haul. I'm thinking there might be another one if I get more stuff from Dollar Tree, which I'm always there, so I probably will have a second haul. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if you saw anything that you would like to pick up at your stores. Are you excited to go shopping for fall decor? I love getting these pieces at Dollar Tree because, one, they look great, they're affordable. We're all trying to get like the most for our money right now with inflation and prices and groceries just being crazy. That's why I love doing these videos for you guys, and a huge reason why I do Dollar Tree on Instagram and on YouTube is because I like things that are nice but still affordable. Well, I know this video was probably a little bit quicker, but I will have like another Dollar Tree haul coming next week with like regular stuff, so stay tuned for that. Happy fall decor shopping. That is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.